Hello everyone, this is Hans Laats of Ambertree, and I want to create a short video to follow up on my previous video about IT self-service. In that video, I outlined what IT self-service is, how does it work, and what's the return on investment of it. Also, where does this return on investment really come from? If you haven't seen that video yet, I recommend you look at it first, and I will post a link down below as well, because in this little video we're going to build on what we established then. So in that video, I mentioned that I didn't yet take account of the shift left that we can do in our IT organization. And shift left all comes down to reducing the percentage of escalations within our IT organization itself. So in a sense, self-service is a form of shift left in that we shift left knowledge and capabilities and tools from our IT organization towards our end users. But there are still some differences between doing it within IT organizations and towards your end users. So it has a bit of a different implementation. Now, if you do this, there has considerable benefits for your organization, especially in combination with IT self-service. So just to illustrate, I'm using the same model I used in the other video and the same three-level support model. Now, what we discussed in the other video is that we implemented self-service, and that meant we reduced our original 790,000 euro total cost per month to 568,000 euros per month through implementing a 30% self-service rate by providing documentation, good information to your end users and your customers. In that video, we didn't yet reduce the number of the percentage of escalations. So for this projection, we're going to show you what happens if you do this. We're just going to keep the self-service numbers the same as it is. We're not going to work on that percentage. But let's say we reduce the number of escalations by half, which seems like a very high target, but it really isn't that difficult to get if you set up the right practices and you do the right kind of adoption. Now, if we reduce the percentage of escalations by half, of course, then from level 1 to level 2 it becomes 20%, and level 2 to level 3 it becomes 10%. Well, you can see the numbers for yourself here. That means our total customer month drops to 302,000 euros. That means a cost saving of 488,000 euros per month from our original 790,000 euros. So if you combine self-service and shift left itself. On a yearly basis, that means a cost saving of 5,856,000 euros per year. Now, of course, these numbers can be different for your organization, and I recommend you just make this do this exercise with data from your context. But you can see there's really a lot of potential there. And now, what we've discussed here is that the direct cost savings, setting up a good self-service and shift left system, good practices. They also have a very positive impact on your onboarding time. So it's going to reduce the time to competence for your employees. It also improves employee retention. And it, of course, has a positive impact on your customer satisfaction as well. Now, I'm not going to talk about these topics in this video. I will make some future videos for this. But if you want to know more about this particular topic, if you want to know how shift left and self-service could work in your organization, feel free to send me a message on LinkedIn, or you can also book a free 45-minute strategy session on our website where we look into your current situation, where do you want to go, and just high level, how would we recommend you approach this? Until then, I hope you have a very productive day, and I'll talk to you soon.